Superbest is a chain of supermarkets in Denmark. Superbest in Tisted is just like a shop in other large supermarket chains. A high fresh foods profile and a wide assortment of daily goods at competitive prices. They have a large selection and have goods delivered daily, which is synonymous with a large amount of waste. 90% of waste is cardboard and plastic. This is now sorted and compressed by a Mil-tek Model 306E. Superbest have saved a lot of money on refuse and container rental, plus all the pressed material is now collected free of charge.